Hi Alex, here's a quick video for you to do a little practice with, okay? We're going to be continuing with the A natural minor scale in positions 5, 1, and 2, okay? Here's the A root note, therefore this is position 1. We go behind it, since there's only 5 positions, what's behind 1 must be 5. And then right ahead of it, we see C is the furthest note that position 1 takes us to. So that's where we're going to hand off the baton and continue with position 2. In all 3 positions, you are just playing the A natural minor scale, which is the C major scale, but starting and stopping with an A, okay? So I'm going to do position 5 first. I line up my 4 fingers with my pinky on A. The beautiful thing about learning scales in the key of C is that there are no sharps or flats. So when you play a letter, you're simply looking for the next letter of the alphabet, or in this case the musical alphabet, which means G is as high as you're going to go, and then you're going to go back to A. Okay? But watch, it's fairly simple. You want to stick to the 4 fingers in 4 frets like this. Stay strict to it, except for when you have to reach for this one F note right here on the last string. And this is how you should look. No ring finger. So F with your pointer finger, your middle finger plays G, and your pinky will play A. That's the only time you leave the comfy confines of this position. Okay? So starting with A on my pinky finger, I'm going to look for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now I'm on an A with my pointer finger. I'm going to do the second octave. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And since I'm on a root note, that's very convenient because I can end the scale on the root note and have this whole position covered. So again, A minor in the key of C, position 5. So at the end there, I'm showing that this G, this F, and this open E are in the scale. But since we started with the root note, which is A, we don't play them until the end. It's just a little formality to really show how we care about this A and this A most importantly. Okay? So that's position 5. Now I'm going to swap out my pinky on A with my pointer finger. And I'm going to do the same exact thing, starting with my pointer finger. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. I'm on an A. That's the end of the scale and the beginning of the next octave. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now I'm done with the scale, but you see I've got some fingers and some more room here. So I'm going to start on that A again as a formality and play what's left within my reach, which is A, B, C, and then just turn around back to A. Always keeping with the formality that I only come to a stop and a start on root notes, which in this case is this A, or this A, or this A. Okay, here's what it sounds like. Oh, also notice that when I'm done with the first octave and I reach back to the 4th fret for this B, that's the only time I leave the cozy confines of the 4 fingers in the 4 frets. So you're going to play that B and then come back into the 5th fret. Here's what it sounds like without me saying anything over it. A natural minor, position 1. Now position 2 is going to pick up on this C. That's the whole point of these positions. We're just trying to cover real estate. So now I'm going to play this A, and instead of going A, B, C with these two fingers, I'm going to go A and move B, C, and I've reached forward now to play this new piece of real estate. Same rules though, A through G, no sharps or flats. So I have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. I'm on an A, so I come to a stop, pause for a beat, start up again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. I'm done on my pinky. That's an A note, but I've got another string and more room, so I play the A, B, C, D. I'm out of room, I just come back, stop on the formality, and then continue your way back. So now you're on the A, I'm sorry, that was a mistake. And now back from this A. Sometimes it's hard to do it while I'm speaking, so let me try it again here. 2 octaves in position 2. Now, if you stick to the formality of only stopping on the root notes and playing without leaving position unless you have to, it's going to be a lot easier to play around with it, which is what your ultimate goal is, to just choose a root note anywhere and then start kind of playing along. Okay? Give it a try. Try to cover 5, 1, and 2. Let me know any questions, and remember the ease of it. It is in the key of C, but instead of starting with a C note, which would be the C major scale, we're starting with an A note, but it's the same notes as the key of C, which means no sharps or flats. You could literally do it on one string simply by starting with any whole note. I'll do the skinniest E string, open, E, and then you're looking for the next letter of the alphabet, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. There's the scale on one string. Any song with A minor in it, that's going to work. Okay? Let me know any questions.